Welcome back to the AmazingTrungX channel. It's TrungX here, and this week, we're stepping away from the usual monsters to dive into something a bit more unique and exciting. Recently, I got a glimpse of the trailer for the new film, Mufasa, the Lion King, and one scene really stood out to me. Mufasa being chased by two fierce alligators while he's lost. It got me thinking, it's the perfect inspiration to create something special in anticipation of this film I'm so excited about. So, join me as we step into the Lion King's world this week. Let's get started. I'll start building the frame for the alligator. With the frame in place, I'll roll out clay and cover it to form the base layer of our figure. Next, I'll blend the clay together to shape the alligator into its basic form. Now, let's get to the fun part, shaping. I won't say much here so you can fully enjoy the process. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit like and leave a comment. After shaping, I'll mix and apply paint to bring our alligator to life. Based on your feedback from previous videos, I've been working hard to improve my painting skills. Your suggestions are always welcome. Oh, and remember that I forgot a character? That's right, the young Lion King Mufasa I mentioned earlier. It's time for him to make his debut. The next crucial step after sculpting the figures is making the base. I'll select 2 large wooden boards and cut them into oval shapes. Then, I'll use plaster to create a layer that links the 2 boards and forms the foundation for the diorama details. Before decorating the scene, I'll paint the base with various shades of green to represent the swamp's floor and shores. Once the paint dries, I'll add detailed elements to bring the swamp to life and make our diorama as vibrant as possible. Before casting the resin, I'll coat the alligator and lion figures with resin to keep colors from fading. While waiting for the figures to dry, I'll prepare the mold for the resin pour. After some drying time, the resin will be fully set. I'll then smooth it out and finish up any final details. Thanks for sticking with me through this process. And now it's showtime. Also, don't forget that we offer many unique epoxy resin products. Please support us by shopping on our website, www.AmazingTrungX.com. Wishing you all a week full of energy. Goodbye.